வார்த்தைகள் வந்திருக்கு. அது என்னன்னு இப்ப நம்ம 5ஆம் வகுப்பு மற்றும் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு மாணவர்கள் சொல்லி தர போறாங்க.
Hello friends, are you ready to learn new vocabularies? Come, let's learn with us. How to say it in English?
Snap, சொடக்கு.
While I'm hearing the songs, I do the snap.
Crack the knuckles, நெட்டை முறித்தல்.
When I complete my exam, I feel so pain in my fingers, so I crack my knuckles.
Sprain, சுளுக்கு.
I have sprain in my knee.
Innu, சலிப்பு.
Juggling household work, I felt innu.
Scalding the water, தண்ணீர் அனந்து குடித்தல்.
I felt so thirsty even though I scalding the water.
I like the dinner to eat பணியாரம். My mom's prepared for me. Yeah, yummy. Do you know how to say it in English? It is called pastry. It is called pastry.
In my garden there are so many flowers are blooming, but I like this flower only. Do you know how to say it in English? It is called firecracker flower. It is called firecracker flower. Kanagambram is called firecracker flower.
I am a very big devotee of Lord Ganesha. Daily I pluck Bermuda grass and worship Lord Ganesha. Do you know the name of an English? It is called Bermuda grass. It is called Bermuda grass. Arugambel is called Bermuda grass.
Thank you.